An entrepreneur needs to be a salesperson because he needs to sell his product, service, his equity, and invite other things, sells the idea, everything like that. So he needs to be the best salesperson, and the best salesperson has to be the best storyteller because sales is an emotional game. So today I'll be giving you 5 steps to tell the best story for sales. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I'm back with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about business skills and skill development. Skill development. Storytelling is a skill, but storytelling for sales is business creation. So we are going to connect these two today in this video. What are the steps you need to take care while giving your story for the sales? The first step, you need to start your story with the persona of your consumer, your buyer, your customer, your client. Once you know the persona, you start with that. The person who's hearing definitely sees himself or herself in that persona, and that connects the people with your story and lets you hold their interest for a longer time and convince them about the solutions that you're providing. For making this persona more personalized, you can incorporate the pain points of your buyers or the customers. You can use the language that the buyers use, the way they feel. You can visualize or tell how they see themselves. You need to put them in a role where they are making the decision, either A or B, why A and why B. There you need to. And you need to present your organization in your sales pitch. That is something that would help you create the buyer persona. Now, once you have created the buyer's persona, you need to remember all the elements of the storytelling. I've already given the elements of the 5 elements of storytelling in the previous video, and the link is given in the description box. I would request you to go through that before you start moving with your story for sales. Once you have clearly defined your elements and you know the persona of your buyer, you need to transform the experiences of your buyer into the story. So how they feel, you need to put everything into the words. And the best thing I would tell you is you need to be a good reporter. You need to report everything the best way. That gives the understanding to the buyer that this is something that I need. So here again I'm repeating that the customer centric experience, the customer experience, speaking as a story for you, a case study for you, is something that helps you understand that in a more depth and connect with the audience. Once you are incorporating these stories into your sales pitch, remember the pain points, the gain points, the features, everything should connect to the buyer who's buying, the problems he or she is facing, the solutions that your product is giving them. If you can tell these, only then your story would be a perfect pitch for your sales. Last but not the least, you need to evaluate the story and reconstruct it every time you think there is a need to change. So be innovative enough to evaluate your performance in the previous story and build upon the next. Hope the 5 steps would help you construct your story for your sales and achieve that entrepreneurial success for which we all are working for. And if you want to learn more, you can enroll yourself for a free webinar on 11th February about the business skills. The link is again given there in the description box, and that would help you to come for the free webinar and learn a lot about Unbox Entrepreneurship. Be happy, be entrepreneurial, and live the life of abundance. And if you wish to continue your journey of unboxing more entrepreneurship with us. Keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and fellow. And lastly, don't forget to enroll for the free webinar link given below. Thank you.